Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform, NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 9. Let's see our today's topic. It is transformation compound to simple. I am telling again, our today's topic is transformation compound to simple, and this is our lecture number 5th and homework number 5th also. Dear students, topic is compound to simple. So in these connections I want to get your maximum attention or proper attention to understand transformation compound to simple. So look here, I have given 6 examples to understand compound to simples. Okay, look, these are the examples of compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will transform them into a simple sentence. Number 1, the boy practiced a lot and made an excellent handwriting. So look at the symbol of compound, it is and. Whenever in a sentence and will be given, we will consider it as an example of compound sentence. I am telling again, the boy practiced a lot and made an excellent handwriting. Okay, now we will transform this sentence into a simple. So look, the boy practiced a lot. Look at the subject, it is the boy, and the verb is practiced. Okay, and we can write the verb like this: by practicing a lot or practicing, follow me, by practicing a lot, then the subject, the boy made. Look at the rest part, the last part of after and, it is made an excellent handwriting. We are writing made an excellent handwriting. I am writing little bit below. Okay, I hope that you will not have any problem to understand. Full stop. I am telling again, by practicing a lot, the boy made an excellent handwriting. By practicing a lot, the boy made an excellent handwriting. Next, example number 2. The weather is so cold and we cannot go out. Look, another symptom of compound sentence, it is and. The weather is so cold and we cannot go out. In this sentence we will write like this: the weather, subject is the weather, be verb is written, we will write being. The weather being so cold. The weather being so cold, comma, we cannot go out. We can't or cannot go out. Okay, I am telling again the answer of simple sentence. The weather being so cold, we cannot go out. Here being we have written following the be verb, is written. Okay, in the place of be verb we have written being. So cold, we cannot go out. Next, try again and again, or you cannot do well. So whenever in a compound sentence there will be or. Look, try to understand. Try again and again, or you cannot do well. In these connections of simple sentence you will write without trying. Okay, look, without, then the ing with the main verb, without, then trying, without trying, again and again, without trying again and again, you can't or cannot, you can't do it. I am telling again the answer of simple sentence: without trying again and again, you can't do well. Example number 4. He studied hard but he did bad in exam. So look at the negative idea of the but. It is he studied hard, but he did bad in the exam. In this connection, you will take the help of in spite of. So look, in spite of, then the ing with the main verb, base form of the main verb, in spite of studying, studying, in spite of studying hard, SARD, then the subject, studying hard, he did bad in exam. I am telling again answer. In spite of studying hard, he did bad in exam. Fifth number example. He writes carefully and he wants to avoid mistake. So look here, he writes carefully and he wants to avoid mistake. Okay, follow me. At first we will write the first portion of the sentence. He writes carefully. He writes carefully, then to avoid mistake. To avoid mistake. Okay, last example. He writes carefully to avoid mistake. He is not only a good student but also a good cricketer. Not only but also. In this connections of compound sentence, whenever we will transform it into a simple sentence, we will take the help of besides. Okay, I am writing, follow me. Besides. Besides, then the being. Besides, then the in the place of be verb we will write being. Besides being a good student. Okay, follow me. Besides being a good student, he is a good. Besides being a good student, he is a good cricketer. Okay, I am writing cricketer below. cricketer. Cricketer. Okay, besides being a good student, he is a good cricketer. 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 At first cricket, then R. Okay, I am telling the answer again so that you can understand properly. By practicing a lot, the boy made an excellent handwriting. Number 2, the weather being so cold, we cannot go out. Number 3, without trying again and again, you can do well. Number 4, in spite of studying hard, he did bad in exam. He writes carefully to avoid mistake. Last one, besides being a good student, he is a good cricketer. Okay, look, dear learners, and this is our homework segment and 5th number homework. It is homework number 5th. So look, I have given here 5 examples, and your duty or your task is to do this compound sentence into a simple form. You must pick up the sentence and in the answer you will write the simple example. How many sentences of compound sentence I have given? 5. You must pick up and in the gap you will write the simple example. Dear students, I hope that this class will help you very much to understand transformation compound to simple. And I also hope that if you do your homework properly, it will be helpful for you to understand our today's topic. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.